Hello and welcome back to Breeze GIS. Today we have a quick tutorial going over the Create Features tool and how to create a polygon feature and draw polygons freely within a map. So right here I have just a plain base map pulled up inside of ArcGIS, and I just have the figure of Texas pulled up, and we're going to create a polygon inside of Texas. So the first thing we're going to do to create our polygon layer that we want is we're going to go up to and look for the toolbox. So there's a couple ways you can get here, but one, you can go through geoprocessing right here, or you can go through tools. You click on tools and you will pull up a menu. I already have the geoprocessing toolbox opened. In the find tools selection box, you type create feature, and it should pull up class, so class layer, whatever you would like to call it. So this pulls up and you have a class name. I'm just going to call this Polygon 1. And then on the geometry type, we want polygon, but there's multiple different polygons you can choose from. But today we're just going to look at the polygon. And everything else should be the same. Coordinate system is the same as the map. I'm just going to call this Polygon 1. And then we can go in and run this, and it should create our class for us. So we have Polygon 1 class right here. Now, if we open up this class, we open up the attribute table, there's going to be nothing inside of here. We have a field for object ID, shape, shape length, and shape area, but we have nothing inside of the attribute table because we haven't created any polygons yet. So we're going to go ahead and close the attribute table, and we're going to create our first polygon. Now we're going to go inside of, with polygon selected, we're going to go inside, I'm going to pin this menu. We're going to go inside of edit, and we're going to go to the create button. The create button is what you want to use, also called the create features button. And this is what you use to create line, polygon, point, features, whatever you would like. And under this features tab, we have templates for the different layers that we can create features for. In our case, we only have one layer. It's the polygon layer. So we click that and we have lots of options. So for lines and points, and the different features, you have different options, but for polygons, you have these. You have polygon, autocomplete polygon, right angle polygon, circle, square, rectangle, which you can also make a square with, ellipse, and lots of different polygon feature options. But we are just going to create a standard polygon right here, and my cursor is now set up to be able to create a polygon. So we're just going to create a polygon for fun, and let's say we just connect some cities here and pretend like we're creating a polygon for cities. So Houston, Dallas, and Austin. And we have just made a polygon right here. So let's say this is all we want to do for our polygon, and we want to exit out and not make any more lines. What we'll do is we'll right click. So we right click anywhere, and we want the F2, which is finish. So we want to finish this out, and it creates our polygon for us. So we have this triangle here connecting these three cities, and we have our polygon right here, and we can go inside of the attribute table and see we have a new polygon here. Now with this, you can go to the calculate feature, and you can use the calculate field to calculate measurements, distances, etc. Lots of different options for you there, depending on what you want to find out. But this is how we create a polygon feature inside of ArcGIS. If you want to delete the feature, you can go inside of the attribute table and delete that. You can also create more polygons. So let's say I want to create another polygon. Maybe I want to connect Houston, San Antonio, and Corpus Christi. And then I right click on it again, and then I press finish, or I can press F2, and then I've just created another polygon. And so we have polygon number 2, and we go inside of the attribute table and we see, okay, now we have 2 polygons here, and we can rename them and add whatever field. If we want to add a field, we can. It's always also important to always save your edits whenever you're doing anything. And after we saved the 2 polygons we added, we can now add a field if we want for these polygons, if we want to add something else. But yes, that is how you create polygons. You can add as many as you like. You can delete them, do whatever you would like with that. But that is how you create polygons using the create feature class or create feature layer tool within ArcGIS. And today we just went over polygons, but you can do this for points, lines, etc. So thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to you in the next one. Thank you very much, and bye.